Let's find the derivative of the function y equals 2 over 3t to the ninth plus 1/7 t to the third, 1 over 7 t to the third, minus 9t squared minus the square root of t cubed. Okay, so this one's a little tricky because there's a little bit of everything here. Let's rewrite it. Whoops. Let's rewrite this. This is now 2/3 t to the negative ninth power, right? If you have a t or x or something in the denominator, you can always move it up by changing the exponent sign to negative. Okay, plus 1/7 t to the negative third power minus 9t squared. No need to change that one because it's not in the denominator. Minus, okay, so square root means the 1/2 power. So this is t to the third to the 1/2 power. That's actually not the cleanest way to write this out. Whenever you have an exponent and the expression is raised to another exponent, you can just multiply them together. So what I'm going to do is, instead of writing it as t cubed to the 1/2 power, I'm going to write this as t to the 3/2 power. Okay, so now derivative. 2/3 times negative 9 is negative 18 over 3. We're going to simplify that in a minute. Subtracting 1 from the exponent, I get negative 10. 1/7 times negative 3 is negative 3/7. T to the, subtracting 1 from the exponent gives me negative 4. Negative 9 times 2 is negative 18. T to the, subtract 1, first power, so I'm going to leave that understood 1 blank, minus, understood 1 in the front of here, 1, or negative 1, times 3/2 is negative 3/2. T to the 3/2 minus 1. 3/2 minus 1 is the same thing as 3/2 minus 2 over 2, which is just 1/2. Okay, so now we should clean this up a little bit. Negative 18 over 3 is negative 6, so y prime is equal to negative 6 t to the negative 10th minus 3/7 t to the negative 4th minus 18t minus 3 over 2 t to the 1/2 power. So there we go.